Hi, myself Dr. Abha Chauhan, practicing in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. This was my first workshop with Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja sir. Although earlier I had attended many webinars of his. Uh, right now, consent documentation and record keeping workshop I have attended, but it was much more than that. Sir has given us more as he promised. It was a hybrid concept containing online and pre-recorded videos, but I never felt as we are watching recorded one, as it was a very much live and interactive type with individual attention. I got all my queries solved, be it practice management or prescribing medicine or armamentarium regarding dental treatment, anything, or even designing your clinic, designing my clinic. Dr. Bhavdeep sir is a knowledge ka bhandar. You can ask him anything, and he has a solution for everything. That's the best part. I greatly appreciate sir's hard work for us, and felt very lucky to be a part of his dental universe. This course covered a lot of dental templates, and it helped a lot in our day-to-day practice. All the insightful advice given by him from the very first day helped me to handle my practice in a better way. It was a long journey of more than a month, but he is always with us to solve our problems. Actually, I think this type of course should be included in our BDS curriculum so that each and every budding dentist come out with flying colors regarding their practice management and starting their clinical practice journey. So I highly encourage every dentist to attend sir's workshop. Thank you so much.